Was amazing to taste a lot of Cap Classique during these 2 days, and I was positively surprised and happy to see that the producers are seeking for more knowledge, for more precision, for more identity and signatures. So I would love to make a hat, you know, to this elegant wines that I taste, and the diversity of the terroir, and how the producers will love to express their terroir with their unicity, and they are seeking really for technical improvement and knowledge with a lot of passion. So making champagne or making sparkling wine should be a giant with 2 legs, you know, technical know-how and passion to craft. So I found these two things in Cap Classique, and I was so happy to share with them our vision of making sparkling wine, and to listen them, because they are in some issues maybe in advance seeking, and they would love to know a lot, and it's amazing. I loved the spirit in Cap Classique community. So agrafe tirage is when we make the bottling for the second fermentation, and we use a natural cork with the stemple, with the agrafe, despite using the crown cap. What this process gives more to the wine is to have a wine that will grow and mature in its 3 dimension through the years. So we're gonna gain in structure, in complexity, in refinement, and in thickness. So it's something like you have a church and you will transform it to the cathedral, because it's a maturation when the process will be involved between 3 main elements. The cork will give you some phenolic elements and some reductive ambiences of maturation. The yeasts through the lees will give you polysaccharides, and through the autolysis, and the wine itself could be a matrix with high potential to explore this long maturation on natural cork. Agrafe process will add value to the champagne process by adding savoir-faire, know-how, because years ago our eldest winemakers used this technique, and now this could have also a historical value, an authentic value, a know-how value, a transmission value, and especially the gesture of making this process are so authentic and precise, so you cannot make it on a big scale volume, so you have to precise a little percentage of your highest production to make this process.